Thank you, Assemblyman. Assemblyman Weber.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. On the bill, just very briefly, I rise in support of the Assemblywoman's bill. A thumbs up to that. And briefly, the people of New Jersey should know, Madam Speaker, that Obamacare is starting to yield its first fruits for everyone in New Jersey, and unfortunately, the fruits are a bushel full of rotten apples. Anytime that you're going to multiply the cost.
You can speak on the bill that we have on the board. We are not having a debate about Obamacare. The bill focuses on eliminating the requirement that students at two-year institutions are required to pay for health insurance according to current statutes. So I'll ask that you direct your remarks to the bill.
I will, Madam Speaker, precisely because Obamacare puts on onerous regulations for health care insurance.
You're not
everywhere.
speaking on the bill, Assemblyman.
No, for the bill is because federal law, otherwise the Affordable Care Act, otherwise known as Obamacare, has put regulations on health insurance in the state of New Jersey that is increasing costs to the point where
that is not the focus of this bill. I don't know what bill you've read.
I'm not going to ask the sponsor questions for the purpose of the bill. My understanding of this bill is that Obamacare, the Affordable Care Act, has increased the cost of health insurance in the state of New Jersey to the point where students at our community college and other four-year institutions have to pay too much now to buy the low-cost insurance policies that had been available to them before Obamacare had been passed. And so,
yeah, that is not the focus of this bill, Assemblyman. But if you will concisely direct your comments or debate to this bill that's on the board, it would be much appreciated.
And because those policies are now too expensive, I support the Assemblywoman's measure that takes away the mandate that all attendees of our community colleges have insurance. The insurance is simply too expensive for them now after the passage of the federal law known as Obamacare. Anecdotally, we've been told that the care is now, or those insurance policies are now anywhere from 10 to 30 times more expensive than they were before the passage of the law. So I think the Assemblywoman did the exact right thing. I know she had to stand up to some people in her party to get it done, but it's the right thing to do for our students. It's the right thing to do for the higher education system in the state of New Jersey. And the people of New Jersey should know that on a bipartisan basis, we're trying to fix some of the problems that have come down to us from the federal level. So I support the measure. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you very much, Assemblyman. Assemblyman Green.